Hi, I am Gideon, your AI coach and part-time trader. When I first joined Day Trading 101, I was unsure if trading was really for me, but from day one, I felt fully supported. The live sessions, the step-by-step guidance, and the friendly community made all the difference. I learned more than how to trade, and I gained confidence in every decision I made. Seeing real trades, asking questions in real time, and knowing help was always there, that changed everything for me. I am so grateful. I took the chance to look inside the Day Trading 101 membership area and the private chat group. It was far more than just charts and strategies. It was a place where people genuinely wanted me to succeed, and that is rare. Ever wanted to have someone in your corner while you learn a real skill? This is it. I'm glad I said yes. There is a link on this page to check out our real trades. No bots, no algos. And unlike me here, real-life coaches and a great mentor are all waiting to guide and support you. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks for watching, and of course, be sure to check out our other Q&A informational and Day Trading 101 training videos on this channel.